Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show how to install PNETLab version 6.0.103 on VMware ESXI. This version has been patched to support PHP version 7.4. To install PNETLab, first we need to download Ubuntu server image from Ubuntu website and upload it in data store on ESXI. Let me show my Ubuntu server image. I have already downloaded this server image, Ubuntu server 20.4.6 live server image, 64-bit image. Keep in mind, we have to download this Ubuntu 20.4 to install PNETLab. PNETLab version 6 only supports this server image. After uploading this ISO in data store and installing Ubuntu, then we have to use one of these three commands to install PNETLab. We can use either this first one, second one, or this third one. Because I am in Ian, I have to use this third one at this moment. Let's show this is this comes from this website. Let me show you the actual website. This is the .sh file that we have to use to install PNETLab. I simply click on it and copy the link. This is this third link. Okay, let's start by installing Ubuntu. Let's, let's first install Ubuntu server. My Aston clusters and KNew virtual machine. Select the next, type next, specify my PNETLab VM name. I type PNETLab version 6. Type next. I choose my ESXI host, just second host. Then here I have to select my storage to install PNETLab. I will use this data store. Data store 1 or local ESXi2. Next, compatible with Python 5. Next, so here I have to select my guest OS. It is Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Next, here I have to customize my hardware. Let's select 2. I will use 2 and memory is 8192 megabyte and my hard is 85 gigabyte of my hard disk. And here my standard virtual switch And here here in this section I have to choose my ISO image. Data store file. Simply I click in data store and data store ISO file. Yeah, browse data store one, and this is my Ubuntu server image. Select, connect the power on, and that's it. And next. Connect power on, data store, and that's it. Okay, next. I've selected my data store file. Next. Okay, my CPU 2, 8 gig of memory, and data store local ESXI 2, and 85 gig capacity out there. Get up finish. Okay, my virtual machine is created. Let's power on. Let me pause this video and I will come back. Okay, this is the first section of Ubuntu server installation page. I have to select my language. Let's type English. Enter. Enter. English US. Enter down. This is the important section. This is network connection section. Keep in mind, you have to change your network connection from dynamic to static. Let's do that. I simply select ENS 160 and type enter, and edit my IP version 4, type enter, and I'll change from automatic DHCP to manual. Okay, okay, this is network confidential. Now let me expand this section. In the subnet, you have to type your subnet. For example, if you want to put your VM in this network, for example, 192.168, 50, 50, and 0, 24. This is your PNETLab network. For example, I'll put my PNETLab in this network 192.168.50.0/24. And this address is your actual PNETLab IP address. It can be from 51 till 51, 244. You can choose between this number. Let's type here 192.168.50.0. This is my network, and this is my actual IP address, for example 5050. And my gateway should be in the same network as PNETLab IP address. For example, my gateway should be 51. Name server is my DNS service. You can choose it. For example, if you have DNS server IP address 192.168.55, then you can choose 888 either here. Here I have specified two name servers and separate my name server by comma and save. This is your domain name. If you have any domain, you can specify your domain name here. Okay, this is Kung Fu practice section. I leave this conversation intact. Done. Keep in mind, because at this moment we don't have any international internet, I have to choose this mirror address. You can use this mirror address at this moment to install Ubuntu server packages. archive.ubuntu.com. Done. Okay, and this I leave this configuration intact. Done. Done here also, and continue. Yeah, I have to type my GitLab name. Let's type PNET. My server name is PNETLab SRV. Username PNET and type password. Done. Keep in mind this is SSL setup. We have to check the checkbox to install OpenSSH server. Let me check this checkbox and done. Continue. You can view your installation folder by tapping view folder here. And you can either close this folder. Okay, let me pause this video and I will come back. Okay, my Ubuntu server installation is finished. Let's close and reboot now. Okay, I have connected to my Ubuntu server via SecurCRT. Let's change my PNET user to root user by this command sudo-i. Sudo I, this is my root password. And let's type update again, update, and upgrade. And type yes. Let me pause this video and I will come back. Okay, now let's install PNETLab. I will install Ubuntu 7 update and upgrade my Ubuntu package to latest version. Uh, let's install PNETLab. Keep in mind, we can install PNETLab simply by copy this command and paste, or let me show it another way. I can simply copy link location from this website, just install underscore PNETLab underscore version.sh file. Copy this copy link location and go to OPT directory, see the OPT and type wget and paste here and type ls and make that file executable or this command chmod 777 install. Before I type this, let's verify my file permission ls-l. It is read permission. Let's change to write permission. But chmod 777 select this file. Now it's WX. It has the WX. All WX are double than the WX. Let's initiate and start this SH file by // install command. This command and type enter. Here we have to wait a little more longer. Let me pause this video and I will come back. Okay, after waiting 10 minutes, my PNETLab installation begins. It's now installing my SQL Server core packages. Let me pause this video and I will come back again. Oh, this package should be installed. Okay, let me pause this video and I will come back. Okay, now it's downloading PNETLab packages. The PNETLab underscore Canada zip file. Okay, this is PNETLab version 6, that's 103.amd64.deb file. It is latest PNETLab package. Okay, my PNETLab installation is finished. Update has been done successfully and the backend is already used room as per PNET. Okay, let me reboot my server. Okay, let's change my root password. My host name is PNETLab. Okay, it's okay. My DNS name. Okay, this is important section. Here I have to choose static. Static. Okay. And here I have to type my IP address of the my network. This is the same IP address I have already configured in my Ubuntu server installation section. This is the actual PNETLab IP address. For example, 192. One 68, 15, 50. And this is my management mask, 255, that 255, that 255, that 06, 24 supplement mask. And the type of default gateway for my network it should be 192, 168, 51. And your DNS IP address. And my secondary IP is 888 and 8. I don't have any NTP server, okay? And here I have to choose direct connection, no proxy. Okay, that's it. Let's reboot my PNETLab. Okay, keep in mind, I have to change to root and conquer all of this section again. Simply you type, if you face error after that configuration, simply type sudo-r and do all the setting again. Now, to generate SSY and it's finished.